All right, guys, considering the price of Bitcoin, we are now in a period of what I would consider to be an accumulation phase, meaning it is very smart to start buying those dips on a regular basis. So in this video, I am going to go over a one-time set it and forget it dollar cost average strategy through Coinbase because they make it very simple to come out here and purchase Bitcoin on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. So in this video, I'm just going to demonstrate what I'm doing and share it with you guys so that if you want to start implementing a dollar cost average strategy for yourself, to set it and forget it, it'll come straight out of your bank account or your credit card and you will not have to worry about it. And fast forward 5-10 years from now, you are going to be pretty happy that you did this type of strategy. Okay, so here I am in my Coinbase account, and it really doesn't matter if you're in the advanced mode or the regular mode. I typically use the advanced mode because when I trade out here, the fees are a little bit cheaper and I get to use the graphics here, right? But we see the price of Bitcoin going down, and I can foresee some lower price coming in. Now, the last thing I want to do is sell my Bitcoin when the price is going down. I am going to hold my positions and I'm going to accumulate more. So in order to do that with Coinbase, and what I'm going to do for this particular campaign is invest $100 a month, right? But because of the volatility, I'm going to break that up into 4 payments of $25 per week. Okay, so what you do is you click on this more icon, go to recurring buys, and I already have my account, Wells Fargo account, set up with Coinbase. So once you have that set up, guys, you can just come out here and schedule, hey, do I want this on a weekly, daily basis, or whatever the case is. Let's see here, a one-time order. Nope, I don't care about a limit order. Want that recurring buy. If you click on that, you can select whether you want it every day, weekly, 1st or the 15th, or a monthly. Okay, so I'm going to stick with that weekly payment. So we're going to do the weekly, and I'm going to say $25 per week. Put that information in there, click on review order, and always check your order before you hit that confirm button, guys. So I'm going to have a recurring purchase of Bitcoin every week. So it's going to take $25 out of my account, and it's going to purchase a certain amount of Bitcoin depending on what the price of Bitcoin is. It's going to pay with this account, and as of this purchase, it's going to give me that much Bitcoin. I will be paying a 1% spread, which isn't bad, plus an additional 46-cent fee. I'm pleased with that because the whole goal here is to purchase more Bitcoin on the regular. And as the price dips, I'm cool. If the price goes up, I'm cool. And what I'm going to do each month, guys, because I never recommend just leaving all of your Bitcoin on an exchange, because as the saying goes, not your keys, not your coins. So there are better things that I intend to do with my Bitcoin rather than letting it sit out here on Coinbase. So even though now I've automated the process of purchasing $25 a week, what I'm going to do once a month is go in and take that Bitcoin that I purchased over the course of that month and either transfer it to a cold wallet or another wallet that I could use to help grow my Bitcoin even faster. So there you go, guys. It is really that simple, and I don't have to log into this Coinbase account anymore, but I will do so once a month just to take out the Bitcoin that I've purchased. All right, guys, and also for a limited time up until February the 17th, you can use that link below in the description to get you a Coinbase account and catch some free Bitcoin. Go out there, create your account, spend $20 or more on your first trade, and you will get $30 in return. And of course, you're supporting your boy with that extra $30 up to $300 in BTC, which you know will go where? All right, guys, that's all I got for you this video. We will holla on the next one. Peace out.